Howdy guys, this is Colton Conn with U.S. Health Advisors, field training here at the Aggieland office here in College Station, Texas. Guys, we just did a little training session we had a guest speaker come in our office today from Matt Shaffer, and golly, what an experience. You know, we actually learned some different things, and I'm a sales professional, I do it every day. But it just amazes me how much more we can learn every single day about different aspects about what we do every day, but learn how to do them better. Speaking of which, like time management, sales opportunities, how to close better, just little nitpicky things that Matt really came in and helped us kind of have a better understanding of. So guys, I would recommend him to anybody. It was a great experience. I actually signed up for one of their conferences to go and actually try to better myself even more from what they're actually producing through their little presentation. Matt was a great speaker and offered a lot of informative information, and couldn't have been happier to experience that. God bless everybody.